Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen from Buldak. First, grab your Buldak ramen package and a medium pot. You'll need about 2 1/2 cups of water. Get it boiling on the stove. While the water heats, prepare any toppings you love, like a soft-boiled egg, some sliced green onions, or a slice of American cheese. This quick prep makes cooking super smooth. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the Buldak noodles. Let them cook for about 3 minutes or until they reach your preferred tenderness. You want them just right, not too soft. Now, here's a key step. Drain most of the water, but be sure to leave about 8 tablespoons in the pot. This small amount is crucial for the sauce. Now for the best part, add the entire Buldak sauce packet to your noodles in the pot. Stir-fry everything together for about 30 seconds over medium heat. This helps the sauce coat every strand evenly and intensifies the flavor. Finally, sprinkle in the dried seaweed and sesame seed packet, giving it one last good mix. The aroma is incredible. Your delicious Buldak ramen is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer it from the pot into your favorite serving bowl. This is where those prepared toppings come in handy. Add your soft-boiled egg, cheese, or green onions right on top. Take a moment to appreciate your culinary creation. Get ready for that amazing spicy kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.